Today I am in the kitchen of a friend of mine, in Sicily, who is preparing a traditional Sicilian dish for us. Ready to bring the flavors of Sicily to your kitchen? Follow this simple tutorial to create an authentic Sicilian pasta with cauliflower dish. First, soak the raisins and saffron in water. Then, wash the cauliflower, remove the stem, and cut into small pieces. Cook in boiling salted water for about 20 minutes in a large pot that can also contain the pasta. Meanwhile, dice the onion and anchovies and crush the garlic. Add abundant olive oil to a large pan and heat over medium heat. Add onion, anchovies, and garlic and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes until anchovy fillets melt into the oil. Stir to combine. Transfer the cooked cauliflower to the sauté pan, add salt to taste, and allow to brown for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, cook the pasta in the cauliflower cooking water, reserving a cup of cooking water to add to the sauce to make it creamier. Once the raisins soften, add them to the pan along with the saffron and its soaking water, pine nuts, and black pepper. Drain the al dente pasta directly into the pan and cook for a few seconds, thoroughly combining the pasta with the cauliflower sauce. Serve in dishes, sprinkling with toasted breadcrumbs or grated Caciocavallo cheese if desired. Enjoy your homemade Sicilian pasta and cauliflower while it's hot.